Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see your ex messages. Okay, mga mensahe ni ex mo. Tingnan natin if you're still interested. Yeah, pwede mo panoodin to. Pero kung hindi, okay, skip mo na lang. Okay, anyway. So, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Mensahe na kailangan mong marinig. Mensahe na kailangan mong malaman. Okay, coming from your ex. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating po sa ating mga items. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, okay? Yes, lalo na pagdating sa ating mga protection, protection from evil eye. We have the ring, the evil eye ring, the evil eye necklace, may bracelet din tayo. Okay, so pagdating naman sa love, if you're looking for love, kung meron kang mga gustong ma-fix sa situation, then this is for you. Okay, si love bracelet. Okay, and syempre, sa mga minamanifest, yung mga minamanifest nyo na gusto nyo nang makuha, okay, and makakuha rin ng mga surprises, si granter naman yung for you. Okay, so hindi to ginagamit sa love. Okay, hindi ko to, kaya meron tayong iba. And syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. So, yung mga gusto na dyan na makaalis. Sa mga sitwasyon, connection na sobrang hirap alisan, na hindi naman talaga dapat na nandyan pa, nakaka-istorbo na lang, mga ganyang bagay. So, that's for you, si cord cut. Okay? So, yeah. Anyway, so let's start the reading for you, water signs. So, ano bang mga mensahe ni ex mo? So, kuha tayo mga specific messages coming from your ex. Gagamitin tayong oracle card. Okay, so let's see their specific messages for you, water signs. What could this be? Okay, you're doing good. You're doing fine, I think. Some of them, meron silang karelasyon sa ngayon. The Four of Wands. Pero yeah, in general, there's this energy of stability na meron sila. Okay? Yeah. You're doing good. Focusing on their work, career, if ever, their sabihin natin, pwedeng ito ay bago ng connection, if ever. Yeah, bagong connection. Yes. Yeah, Two of Swords. I think this is like a decision na nangyari. Okay? For the better. Ang naririnig ko, for the better. So, kung ano man ang decision niya, pwedeng kasali ka dun. Okay, yeah, pwedeng sa money. I don't know kung may nangyari ditong miss opportunity with you, with this person, miss opportunity. Pero sa ngayon, nakikita ko mas nagiging okay sila. Mas maganda kung wala na kayo. Actually, parang ganun. Okay? So, what else? What else for you, water signs? Ano pa ang mensahe? Kunin nyo lang ha, yung pwedeng makaresonate. Okay, at alam yung inyo. Okay? The Magician in reverse. Some of them, sabihin nating nag-iisip pa rin sa'yo. Okay? Meron ditong specific message na hindi pa rin ako makausad. Iba't iba po ito ha. Iba't ibang mensahe. Nakuha tayo iba't ibang mensahe. I don't know. Pwedeng ikaw to. So, kung sa tingin mo, ikaw yun, then. Okay? So, somebody is sabihin nating na kakaramdam na para siyang napapag-iwanan. Para siyang naloko. Okay? The Nine of Cups. Meron ditong nagkukunyari-kunyarian na masaya pero hindi. Like, sa loob-loob, parang ganyan. O siguro sa outer, 'di ba, sa outer. Yeah, yung facade, they're just wearing a mask. Parang gusto nilang ipakita na they're happy, pero deep inside, they're not. Okay? This is like, manipulation. Some of you, nagkaroon kayo ng karmic connection ng taong to. They're not doing good emotionally. They're not well. They're not good. Okay? They're not fine. Trying to cope. Trying to survive, I think. Trying to heal. Pero, andun like, scar. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Cups. Learning na mag-survive. Learning na maging okay actually. Nandun naman yung energy na parang focus ko rin naman is yung sarili ko sa ngayon. Okay? Ayoko na makaramdam na parang wala lang. Some of you, kung itong taong to is lumayo sa'yo, mas inuna na lang nila yung sarili nila. Mas inuna nila yung peace of mind nila over the situation, over the connection, kung anong man meron sa inyo before. Okay? Kasi parang nakakaramdam siya na parang hindi siya worth it. Okay? Hindi siya worth it. Feeling niya niloloko mo siya. Ooh! Feeling niya hindi mo siya deserve or hindi ka niya deserve. Mga ganun bagay. So, it's like, okay, I'll go. Parang ganun. So, ano pa? Let's see. Ano pang mensahe galing sa ex? So, hindi tayo kukuha ng iisa lang. Syempre, sa dami natin, no? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, diba? So, let's see what else. Ano pang mensahe? Ang kailangan niyang sabihin, ang kailangan mong malaman. The Nine of Wands. Na they don't trust you anymore. They don't trust you. Some of them, they're hiding from you. Ayoko nang makita ka. Ayoko nang makita mo ko. Judgment. Yeah. I think some of them, karma is chasing them. Karma is chasing them. I don't know why. Naririnig ko, taste of their own medicine. Yeah. The Ten of Swords. Somebody is facing their karma. Maybe alone. Pwedeng hindi nila pinapakita yon. You're facing their karma. Okay, so we have here Scorpio and fire sign. Yeah. The Sun in reversed. Somebody's life's going to waste. Going into waste. Oh my gosh. Struggles. Some of them, they're struggling. Meron ditong ayaw na bumalik sa'yo, water signs. Because they felt bad. Felt bad na nakakonect ka. Parang ganon. I'm sorry. Yeah, the Devil in reverse. Could be a Capricorn. Ayaw na nila na makita ka. Ayaw nila na mapunta uli sa'yo or whatsoever. Magkabalikan. Ayaw na nila. You're just like a waste of time daw. You're wasting their time. Okay? So, sinasabi ko lang yung mga nakikita ko, yung mga naririnig ko from your ex. So, kung sa tingin mo hindi mo deserve yung sinasabi niya, then maybe this is not for you. Okay, this is not your message. Okay? Syempre, ang hirap naman syempreng umako ng mga ganong mensahe, no? Sino ba naman? Okay? Lahat ng mga nangyayari sa kanya parang isinisisi niya sa'yo. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, what else? Last, tingnan natin. Knight of Cups. The Hierophant. Some of them, they have new love interests. They have new love interest. Could be a water sign like you. Could be a Taurus. Pero yung nakikita ko dito, kung sino, tingnan natin kung sino to. Kasi, papunta sila sa mas okay eh. Mas okay na connection. Anong meron dito sa person na to? Specific. Para alam mo kung sino to. A giver. Could be an earth sign. Yeah, the world, pwedeng may nangyaring, malayo kayo sa isa't isa. May distansya. Kailangan mo mag-travel papunta sa kanya if ever. So, kung sino man to na papunta sa mas magandang connection, sabihin nating siya yung tao na parang naging giver sa'yo, mapagbigay, hindi siya madamot. Okay, parang ibinigay na sa kanya, binigay kay universe. Binigay ni universe na sa taong ito yung talagang connection na para sa kanya. Yeah, the wheel of fortune. Binigay na Binigay na sa kanya. Oh. Pwedeng hindi niya to sinasabi sa'yo. Pero papunta na siya sa mas okay na connection. I think, I don't know kung sino makaka-resonate doon. Okay? Mahilig magbigay yung person. Hindi siya madamot. Yun. Okay? Okay, so there. So, kung sa tingin mo, yung person mo is madamot, hindi yun sa'yo. Ha? Okay. Kung ikaw yung naging giver, then hindi yun sa'yo. Kinuha natin yung energy ng person. Let's see. Okay, ano ba ang meron pa? Oracle naman, kuha tayo ng ilang specific message talaga. Coming from your ex. For you, water signs. Okay. I left you before you could leave me. What else? I am afraid to contact you. No, somebody's too afraid to contact, to reach out. I wonder if you're happy without me. So, some of you, this person still talagang nag-iisip pa rin sa'yo, I think. Okay? You're in their head. You're in their mind. What else? I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, may nagso-sorry. May humihingi ng sorry dito. Sana magkapatawaran na raw. Last two. I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, sinabi naman natin yun kanina. So, talagang iniisip ka pa rin itong person. Itong ex mo. Okay, last. For you, water signs, their specific message for you. I will wait for a sign from you. So, kung anumang sign niya ng hinihingi niya, then, I don't know. This is general. Sign for whatsoever. Okay, for maybe their decision to make, a sign na pwedeng hinihingi niya para maka-move on whatsoever, then, yeah. Sometimes I stay awake thinking of you. I don't react when people mention you. So there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. Water signs again. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.